Hey beauties, it's your girl Daisy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you're not, thank you for returning. So today I have a loose deep wig for you guys. It looks so good. I'm going to show you how I got this style here. Half up, half down do, and how I slay my baby hairs. So if you're interested, make sure you stay tuned. And if you like this video, make sure you show your girl some support. Give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, you might as well subscribe because you're going to like this. Stay tuned. So here is the box that the wig came in. It's from Allove. It is a 22-inch loose deep wave wig. Fresh out of the package, this wig is bomb. As you guys can see, this curl pattern on point. I didn't even have to do anything to this curl pattern, which was great. Saved me some time, which I love. My favorite part about this unit is the lace. It's so transparent. It's pre-plucked. It does not need to be bleached unless you want to. So, and the lace, do you see that? It's like really transparent. I hate when the lace is just too dark or too light. This color lace would just match any skin tone. And it also comes with a little bit of lace in the back. So before I start styling the wig, you know, I like to show you guys how it looks originally out the package so you know how it may be if you're looking to purchase it. But I'm going to install this wig using my Ghost Bond glue. I've been using this lately and it's my go-to. Like, I'm loving it. It really has a strong hold and it's easy to remove. All you use is just some alcohol. I put it in like a little spray bottle and then I just spray it around the hairline when I'm looking to remove it. But back to me styling this wig. I'm using the blow dryer on a cool setting just to make sure that the glue is a little tacky, and then I'm just going to apply the wig, and I'm going to create the same steps on both sides as well. Like, I always like to do the front and the forehead first and then do each side left and right so it has a more natural look and then you just don't get glue all over the place. That's a little trick. Now that we're done cutting off that lace, we are going to style these baby hairs. It is really easy to style because, like I said, it comes pre-plucked. I didn't have to pluck anything. That usually does not happen unless I'm just like being lazy. But for the most part, I usually pluck at least a few hairs. But this wig, no, didn't have to do it. So this install really took me like a good maybe 20-30 minutes, and it usually takes me like a good 45 minutes because I want to make sure it's perfect or as close to perfect as possible, especially since I'm recording for you guys. Now when I first do my baby hairs, I start off with some styling mousse just to get it, you know, just to get an idea of exactly where I want to place the baby hairs, and then I go in with my Got To Be Glue gel on top, and I just, you know, put the gel all over the baby hairs. And then when I'm done, I use the blow dryer on a cool setting just to make sure that those baby hairs are exactly where they need to be and they're in place. Because I usually notice when I don't use the blow dryer that the baby hairs may come out of place, and then I just spent all that time styling the baby hairs for no reason. So make sure you use the blow dryer when you're done. And last but not least, I'm just gonna do a little cute half up, half down do, and then I'm gonna give you my final thoughts on this hair. So today's wig is from a company called Allove Wig. I'm gonna look at my phone here so I can give you guys the exact details. So they sent me a loose deep wave wig. It's 13x4 parting space, and it's a human hair wig, yes. 10A Remy hair lace wig, yes, okay. So yeah, I'm feeling it. It's 22 inches, so it is a little bit short than what I'm used to as far as 22 inches, but if you pull it out, it is really long. I just have really tight curls going on right now, but I like it like this. It looks really cute. What you guys think? Make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I always like to know what's your favorite style on me. A lot of people say like curly or like the body wave, they like this, but this deep wave is bomb. The good thing about these deep wave wigs is when you get them, you don't have to really do too much to this wig. All I did was, I didn't put anything in this hair. All I did was just put it in a little ponytail in the front, and I slayed these baby hairs. Of course, you know your girl puts in that work, okay? So let me give you a close up. It looks so good. It came pre-plucked and I love it. I really didn't have to pluck anything. I usually have to pluck at least like 1 or 2 hairs, but with this wig, no sis, it came just slayed, and I love that. When it comes to slayed fresh out the box, then and less work for me, this is just super easy. I usually spend like a good 45 minutes at least like styling the hair this way, 20 minutes max. Yes, you know that made me happy, okay? That should make you happy too, because if you get this, you ain't gotta do much. What I really like about this hair is it's really soft, like super soft. It does shed a little bit, you see here. It's like a little clump came, but I would say like a good 10 hairs just came out. So that's the only thing I would say. It does shed a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it's manageable. I did not wash this hair, so if you guys are interested in an updated review, make sure you leave that in the comment section below, and I'll let you know how it's been holding up and how it is after I wash it. But like I said, so far so good. I really like this wig. I'm gonna be wearing this one. Yes, when I really like a wig, I just have to slay like all together. Face, hair, baby hairs, everything, outfit, nails popping, green, money green, okay? Because this is the year of us getting this dough, okay? So I want to thank Allove for sending me this hair. It's bomb, like I said. What you guys think? Don't forget to leave some comments down below. I love interacting with you guys, and just tell me what other videos you're looking to see from me. What kind of wig should I order next, you know? I love your feedback. So again, thank you Allove Hair for sending me this hair, and you guys for always showing me some support. You know the subs is growing. We out here, we getting them popping, okay? So don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up if you do like this video, and hit that subscribe button below if you're not already subscribed. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye.